How to copy a message on Signal app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a message on Signal app. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone, click on it. Now this is my profile. All I need to do to copy a message, click on your conversation. For example, this is my group. All I need to do to delete or to copy this message is keep clicking on the message and click on the third option, which is copy. And now click on the and now this is it. Click on paste and this is how you copy a message on Signal app. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.